And today I'm going to show you the menu functions of the 2 gig panel. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So to get into the menu, we simply hit green, then we're going to go to the menu, and we're going to hit Toolbox. Alright, and once we get to Toolbox, we have to type in the master code, which right now is 1111. Alright, so user management, we can go in here and we can add codes. Okay, so you can add a lot of codes in here. I always suggest to people though, go to alarm.com and add them in there. You can put a name to the user. If you do it here, it'll be user 2, user 3, user 4, disarm the system. Okay. Next we have system history. System history is going to let us know what's happened. Okay. You can also filter it if you're looking for a specific event that happened. Again, if you have alarm.com, go on there. It's much easier to see everything on there. System test. If you think something's not working, you can hit system test, go around, open up your sensors. It'll let you know that all of your sensors are working properly. But honestly, this is set up through, if you have it set up through alarm.com, if any tamper, malfunction, low battery happens to a sensor, you're going to know long before you even think about doing that. But if you want to check that, please check that if it eases your mind. Okay? Bypass sensor. Alright, so if we hit bypass sensor, I don't have any sensors programmed into this panel right now, but it would show all my sensors right here. I would find what I want to bypass, and I'd hit it, and then I would hit the home button, and that would allow me to arm as normal, and I would just bypass it. The easier way to do that is just open up the sensor. If it's a door, you can open up that sensor, and it will ask you if you want to bypass it when you're going into arm. Okay, brightness and volume. So right now I have it set at the lowest settings just for this video purposes, but this is the volume of her saying system armed away, the countdowns, the chimes, so it's higher, lower. You cannot drag it back and forth, okay? And this up here is your brightness. All right. Chime setup. Again, I don't have any sensors in here, but if I did, you could click on each one of your doors or windows and you could adjust what they sound like. Okay, there's a bunch of different chimes in there for you to modify your system exactly how you want it. Alright, backlight timeout. That's that 5-minute timeout I was telling you about. You can make it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 seconds, however you want to do it. Clean screen. Times out the screen for you for 30 seconds so that you can clean it. Now you only clean this with a damp rag, not a wet rag, a damp rag. Electronics do not like water, so just a damp rag will do the trick. Okay? Let's go back in. Alright. Calibrate touchscreen gives you little dots to follow so you can calibrate your screen. Time and date, you would only have to do that if you had a phone line system. Version doesn't matter. The other stuff is all for the installers, so don't worry about that stuff either. Okay? That is it for the menu portion. If you have any questions, my name and number is on here. Please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.